What if I told you there's a brand new game where you can build your own zoo, earn free rewards, and even grab a piece of the action with the brand new zoo token? Empire players, you don't want to miss this because there's a massive bonus waiting just for you. Stick around, and I'll break down how to get started, how this impacts Empire holders, and most importantly, how you can earn big early rewards before everyone else. Welcome back, everyone. Whether you're an Empire enthusiast or someone who loves discovering new ways to earn tokens while having fun, you are absolutely in for a treat today. If you thought Empire was exciting, get ready because we're about to take things to the next level. Today, I'm diving into Zoo, the latest and most vibrant project launched under the Empire Apps Accelerator program. It's more than just a game. Zoo combines fun, strategy, and real earning potential all in one place. Imagine being able to build your dream zoo from the ground up, choosing your favorite animals like giraffes, lions, elephants, and hippos, all while earning rewards in the form of the brand new zoo token. Yes, you heard that right. Every action you take, every animal you add, and every upgrade you make will help you stack up Zoo, turning your gameplay into real value. Now, here's where it gets even better, especially for those of you who are already part of the Empire community. If you're holding or have been playing Empire, there's a special bonus coming your way in Zoo very soon. It's exclusive, it's rewarding, and it's a huge advantage for loyal Empire players like you. But here's the deal, timing is everything with projects like this. Early players always have the edge. More rewards, more advantages, and a bigger slice of the pie before the rest of the world catches on. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can jump into Zoo, start building your zoo, secure your rewards, and maximize your gains, whether you're an Empire veteran or someone brand new to the space. So, sit tight because I'm about to give you everything you need to know to get started, take advantage of this early opportunity, and have a ton of fun while doing it. Let's dive right in. Let's break down Zoo, the latest addition to the play-to-earn gaming world that's designed to be incredibly engaging, rewarding, and easy for anyone to jump into. Whether you're a gaming pro or just starting out, Zoo offers a seamless experience that combines fun gameplay with real earning potential. At its core, Zoo is all about building and managing your own virtual zoo. Think of it as your personal wildlife park where you can create and customize unique enclosures filled with your favorite animals like giraffes, lions, hippos, elephants, and more. Every decision you make, whether it's choosing which animals to add, upgrading their habitats, or expanding the zoo's overall size, brings your dream zoo to life in a creative and interactive way. But here's where it gets really exciting. Zoo isn't just about building for fun, it's also about earning real rewards. Every action you take in the game is designed to earn you Zoo tokens, the game's native currency. Whether you're expanding your zoo with new enclosures, upgrading existing habitats to make them bigger and better, completing fun challenges or special in-game tasks, exploring new features as the game evolves, you'll be stacking up Zoo tokens as you play. It's a perfect mix of creativity, strategy, and reward that keeps you coming back for more. Now, here's the golden opportunity: starting early matters. If you jump in now, you have a massive advantage because early players always reap the biggest rewards in play-to-earn ecosystems like Zoo. Why? Because as more players join, competition increases, and rewards become more spread out. By being an early adopter, you can build your zoo faster, earn more Zoo tokens, and position yourself ahead of the curve before the game goes viral. It's simple. It's addicting. And most importantly, it's profitable, especially if you're getting in during these early stages. Whether you're here to have fun designing your dream zoo or to earn while you play, Zoo has something for everyone. So, are you ready to start building, earning, and creating the ultimate zoo? Trust me, this is one game you don't want to miss. Now, let's connect the dots and talk about why Zoo is a massive opportunity for Empire players and investors. If you've been part of the Empire community, you already know that Empire stands for innovation, growth, and pushing the boundaries of play-to-earn ecosystems. Zoo is the next evolution of that vision, and it brings some exciting opportunities for those who've been part of Empire's journey. Here's why you need to pay attention: special bonus for Empire players. If you've been grinding, earning, or holding in Empire, this is your golden moment. Zoo is rewarding the loyalty of X Empire players with an exclusive bonus. This could mean extra Zoo tokens to give you a head start, access to premium features or exclusive in-game items to upgrade your Zoo faster, or unique bonuses that other players simply won't get. It's a fantastic way to reward the X Empire community and give you a huge advantage as you jump into Zoo. If you're already part of X Empire, you're not starting at zero, you're starting ahead of the game. Early access advantage. You've heard it before, and I'll say it again, early players always win the most. This is a fact in every play-to-earn ecosystem, and Zoo is no different. By starting now, you'll earn the largest share of Zoo tokens while rewards are at their peak. You'll have time to build and expand your Zoo before the competition skyrockets. You'll secure rare and valuable upgrades early, setting yourself up for massive long-term gains. Once the floodgates open and thousands of new players join, the rewards will naturally become more competitive. Acting early gives you the edge, both as a player and as an investor. New token utility Zoo. Here's where things get even more interesting for X Empire investors. The introduction of the Zoo token is a game changer, as it adds another layer of value to the X Empire ecosystem. Think of it like this: the demand for Zoo tokens will grow as more players join and compete in the game. The earlier you start accumulating Zoo, the better positioned you are to benefit from that demand. If you're already holding X tokens, Zoo gives you the chance to diversify your rewards and double down on a new token with significant potential. As Zoo scales and the player base increases, the value of Zoo could rise substantially, creating huge earning opportunities for those who get in early. In other words, Zoo isn't just a fun game, it's a strategic opportunity for X Empire players to expand their holdings, maximize rewards, and take full advantage of an ecosystem that's rapidly growing. What does this mean for you? If you're already part of X Empire, this is your moment. You're being rewarded for your loyalty, and you have a first-mover advantage in a brand new project with massive potential. By jumping into Zoo now, you can secure exclusive bonuses, earn valuable Zoo tokens early, and position yourself for long-term success as the game grows. And if you're new to the X Empire ecosystem, Zoo is the perfect entry point. It's fun, it's simple, and it's rewarding, making it a win-win for players and investors alike. So, don't sleep on this. The earlier you act, the bigger your rewards will be. Whether you're here to build the ultimate Zoo, stack Zoo tokens, or grow your investments in the X Empire universe, this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Let's get started and make the most of this exciting new chapter. Let's get straight to the point. Timing is everything when it comes to play-to-earn games like Zoo. Whether you're here to play, earn, or invest, acting now is the difference between reaping massive rewards and playing catch-up later. Here's why you can't afford to wait: early players always win. This is a golden rule in play-to-earn ecosystems. The earlier you start, the bigger your rewards. When games like Zoo are still in their early stages, the reward pools are at their most generous. This means you'll earn the largest share of Zoo tokens with less competition. You'll have first access to rare bonuses, premium features, and game upgrades. You'll get a massive head start building your Zoo, expanding faster than everyone who joins later. As the game grows and thousands of players flood in, the rewards naturally become more competitive. By starting early, you're positioning yourself at the front of the line to claim the best opportunities. Exclusive bonuses for X Empire holders. If you're already part of the X Empire ecosystem, you've got a massive advantage. Zoo is rewarding X Empire players and investors with exclusive bonuses that won't be available to others. This could mean extra Zoo tokens to kickstart your journey, access to premium features or early game upgrades that boost your earning potential, or special in-game rewards that give you a unique edge over other players. This isn't just a bonus, it's a multiplier for your success. You've already invested time or resources in X Empire, so why not capitalize on it and double your impact by securing these rewards early? Zoo is more than just a game, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to have fun, earn real rewards, and grow alongside a new, vibrant project in the X Empire ecosystem. Whether you're a gamer, an investor, or just someone looking to earn through play to earn, this is your moment. X Empire players, you're ahead of the game already. That special bonus is just the cherry on top. So what are you waiting for? Build your zoo, earn zoo, and secure your spot in this exciting new world. Drop a comment below and let me know what animal you'll be adding to your zoo first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on Zoo and X Empire. Let's get building and earning. See you in the zoo.